신도훈
and Ian Chen, students of Urban Infra Engineering at Hanla University.
What we are going to talk about today is about axial load and torsion. I'll explain the basic concepts of vertical stress and strain and Poisson's ratio through pictures. First, stress refers to the action of force per unit area. This equation shows uniform stress when a uniform cross-sectional rod with an arbitrary cross-sectional shape is under axial load. The stress generated by the bar when it is stretched by a load is called tensile stress. The stress that occurs when the tensile stress and the opposite load act is called compressive stress. The stress acting perpendicular to this surface is called vertical stress. Second, I'll explain about the strain. Suppose that a vertical stress occurs on a uniform single-sided rod as shown in the figure. In this case, the length of the rod changes due to axial stress. This is the ratio of how much the length has changed due to the original length and load, which is called the strain rate. The above equation is a strain equation. And because the strain is the ratio of two lengths, it is dimensionless quantity and has no unit. And the tensile strain usually has a positive sign, and the compressive strain has a negative sign. The vertical strain is caused by the stress acting perpendicular to the element. In contrast, the stress acting in the tangential direction on the element surface is called shear stress. The shear strain is the rate of change in angle caused by the shear stress acting on the element. In other words, it refers to the amount of change in angle caused by shear stress between two orthogonal line segments of the element. Third, let's find about Poisson's ratio. Suppose there is a material that is linearly elastic. When tensile stress occurs in this material, it means the ratio of the strain extending in the axial direction and the strain decreasing in the direction perpendicular to the axis. The tensile strain at which tensile stress acts in the axial direction is plus value. However, the compressive strain in the vertical direction in which tensile stress acts is minus value. To correct this, there is a minus sign in Poisson's equation. So, generally, Poisson's ratio comes out as plus value. Conversely, even if compressive stress acts in the axial direction, the Poisson's ratio is plus because the signs of the two strains are relatively different.
Now let's talk about the second topic, torsion and torsion in our lives. First, the torque that attempts to locate about the longitudinal axis of the load is called torsion. Second, for example, the act of turning the screw by applying torque to the screw with the screwdriver and opening the lock by applying torque to the key. If a torque greater than the stress of the screw is applied when a torque is applied to the screw with a screwdriver, the head of the screw cannot withstand the torque and break it. Similarly, if the key applies a torque stronger than the stress of the key cannot hold and break. Source and reference. Thank you for watching our video.